development of digitalization is vital to the future of Shell.
An aspiration to make production more efficient and products cleaner.
The use of these technologies is such a game changer.
Our capability is second to none.
This is about a pace of change.
So what is digitalisation?
Digitalisation is a way to manage data more effectively, to drive insights that will allow the business to deliver more value.
Digital is a great enabler for new business models. We can serve customers that we were never able to serve before. It's all about how we can use information to then create new solutions for our customers.
With Shell Tap-Up, we provide a flexible fueling infrastructure. We've got a wide range of customers that do not need to spend time anymore at the fuel site.
Most people already order their groceries at home, so why don't you order your fuel at home? I just order it through the app and in 3 clicks I've got a full tank.
The future shift to electric vehicles is pretty clear. Shell is launching our Recharge Plus solution, and it's all about how you optimize charging for electric vehicles.
If you have a bank of 10 chargers, you don't want 10 drivers plugging in at the same time. This puts a strain on the grid. Our optimization algorithm is pretty smart that it moves the charge to a time when solar or wind are at their highest and prices are at their lowest, helping the environment and the driver save money as well.
It's more cleaner energy. We're helping to switch to zero-emission vehicles and helping the grid to have more renewables on the system.
The more data we have, the smarter we have to get about managing it. Just because you have thousands of documents doesn't mean you have the information you need at the right time. FindAll is a new innovative resource implemented on the PenChem project.
Everything at a site is located by an equipment tag. FindAll uses that as the basis to connect all the different databases. We have complete accountability of over 3 million documents and equipment tags on this site.
Now I can go to the tag number for my equipment and immediately find exactly what I'm looking for.
Digital twins use drones to take construction project snapshots on a weekly basis, and from these images we create accurate 3D models of the entire construction site.
To walk all the way around the site and try and see what's going on from the ground level is quite difficult. This enables me to get a top-down view to quickly determine what we need to do. It's very effective.
Any reduction in time solving an engineering issue will mean literally hundreds of thousands of dollars a day in waiting time that we'll avoid. And we have a safer project, too.
Shipping around the world is a very, very inefficient operation. If we can improve our efficiency, we can reduce the amount of time that we're waiting at ports, then we can reduce our fuel usage.
The LNG Shipping Accelerator essentially consolidates loads of information in one place so that instead of having to consult various different resources for each one of my vessels, I can see everything immediately. The real value is sort of the time savings for myself as an operator, but also the level of accuracy and efficiency that affords our business.
It helps us understand the precursors to poor performance, so we can actually take action ahead of time and prevent that performance from dropping in the first place.
Getting people within Shell to be able to procure as easy at work as they do at home, that's a big deal for us.
Shell Ariba is a key platform for our Shell users to access the supply chain, and also is a one-stop shop for contract and procurement.
We have 1,300 CP colleagues using Sharp for their everyday work, making contracts, tendering, online bidding, collaborating with 30,000+ suppliers electronically. What we've actually deployed is a market standard, making things simple, making them fast, making them highly effective.
What we noticed as we were delivering our previous generation of technologies to the business was that interpreters were having a hard time keeping up with increased dataset sizes and also the numbers of datasets that they were forced to interpret. And so we began a journey to take the Silicon Valley technologies and adapt them to the interpretation of seismic data.
Data discovery is becoming near instantaneous. We see with the first delivery of our Shell Data Universe, we can find data immediately. Then we have the GeoCrawler program that really empower users to spend less time in manual tasks and more time creative thinking.
As soon as we get the data, it allows us interpretation across the larger data set, which would normally take us a long time. So it really is a game changer in that regard.
We want to expand the concept to see if we can use deep learning to predict hydrocarbons in the subsurface, using not just seismic data, but well data, gravity and magnetic data, and even geochemical data.
To make margin, we have to keep our plants running, and our biggest problem is when the plants trip due to equipment failures. If we can predict that, then we can prevent these failures and save the company a lot of money.
Before we developed these systems, our people spent a lot of time analysing mountains of data to try to find where we might have an arising issue in our plant, which was very labour intensive.
Instead of being reactive, we're now proactively going out, fixing issues before they become a bigger problem.
The big benefits of this program is 24/7 coverage. It looks at about 300 system parameters all the time. Human beings can't do this kind of thing. All the foundation blocks of the model is replicable. Now we've gone to another asset and replication has already started.
By working together, we were able to replicate that model in our facilities within a day and gave us a good insight in how our valves are behaving.
The scalable part of this project has the potential to increase for all valves with Shell. Why not use it on everything we have?
Collaboration has been absolutely key to get to a point where we are able to see results in such a short period of time.
We see that this new agile way of working and this ecosystem of talent really helps us run our business in a different way.
This technology is going to make us better engineers because we have more time to do engineering work to prevent systems going offline.
Companies that are not at the leading edge of this will quickly be left behind by the competition.
There really is strong urgency for us to go to the next way of doing things. And it's a great feeling to say you're part of something that can be tremendously big.
It's a journey which we will all have to embrace in the future, so let's embrace that opportunity now.